record it to me. That'd be like really, really helpful. Also, Die Undied did a video on me. It had some really rude words in it, and I didn't really like it that much. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Please subscribe, by the way. I nearly finished this cube. For the rest of the video, just hope so you can have some entertainment. This is a Fisher cube. It's really cool. Got it yesterday. Chinese people. Something just happened and I can fix it though, I'm really good. Yeah, and if you're going to Gerbonova's channel and checking out his videos, his videos are really silly. They're not real. He thinks they're cool, but they're not cool. Yeah, if you're checking out his channel, can you comment #GarbAgeDuo is cool? Yeah. Nearly done. Nearly done still. Just a couple more moves, the usual. Yeah, so I'm doing this Rubik's Cube because I'm really intelligent, and so I can do a Rubik's Cube, and only intelligent people can do Rubik's Cubes.